Nabalitaan mo na siguro na umaangat na yung economy ng Philippines, right? By the recording of this video, right? Na-break na ng PSEI or ng Philippine Stock Exchange Index yung 7,400 level. For more than 2 years, hindi natin ma-break yung 7,000, 7,100 level, alright? Pero na-break na ito. So meaning yung psychological resistance na pag nandoon nag-sell off yung mga companies, yung mga investors na break na. So ngayon, umangat na doon, most likely magiging floor na ito at lilipad na rin talaga siya. Magpa-fluctuate pero malaki yung chance na umangat na ulit. So ang tanong ko ngayon, nakasakay ka ba? Naka-invest ka ba sa Philippine economy? Naka-invest ka ba all over the world? So pag-uusapan natin ngayon, paano ka makakasakay dito if hindi pa? Or kung nakasakay ka na, how do you maximize it? So I'll be talking about 2 major things. Number 1, of course, you should be managing your finances, magtira ng kukonte or ng malaki, alright, basta save up something so that you can invest, alright, in the stock market. Aside from the things that you are investing in your business or niro-roll over mo sa business mo, invest something so that your money works for you passively, quite passively. So invest in the stock market, invest in bonds, alright, invest in probably even the cryptocurrency, sumasabay din sila sa pag-angat ngayon. 'Di ba? Kasi ano ba yung isang major factor diyan? Nagbaba ng mga lending rates yung Philippine government, the BSP, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and then the Fed, the US Fed also cut 50 basis points just recently, last week in fact. Alright? So talagang malaking bagay na makasabay ka din ngayon dito. Now, that's one thing, no? Investing, buying. Probably if there are bonds, you have money to invest, then invest. That whether you have investments already or you're able to invest or not, the next thing is dapat ma-grow natin yung income natin so that we are on a surplus, sobra yung income, so that we can invest that extra fund that we have. Alright? So ang goal para mapalaki natin yan is to add more businesses, add more income. Or if you have a job, you're employed, or if you're self-employed, add another stream of income. And that's why I'm inviting you to be part of our team here in AIA. Because dito, not only that you have the opportunity to, make money and by doing our business, selling, building a team, training them, big business. Aside from that, you'll be able to learn with us consistently. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Pag ikaw mismo, regular mong iniisip siya, regular mo siyang pinag-aaralan, at regular mo siyang tinuturo or sinishare sa ibang tao, then you will be, these important things will always be top of mind. Alright? So lagi mo siya naiisip, mas lalaki yung chance. Hindi guaranteed of course, but lalaki yung chance that you'll be able to apply it in your own lives as well. And then, you will be able to invest, continue investing, reinvest if needed, add more investments pag bumababa ang market so that you can prepare for the future, no? Para sa mga future needs mo, education ng kids mo, and of course, the very, very high cost of retirement. Alright? So naghahanap ako ng mga taong investors or business owners, business-minded people, entrepreneurs, or even yung mga taong gusto pa lang ding matutong mag-invest, have that patience, have that hunger and that thirst to really learn and then apply it in their own lives. Now, if you are that person na realize mo na kailangan mong matuto, gusto mong madagdagan yung knowledge mo at i-apply siya sa sarili mong buhay, then I'm inviting you to join my team. So all you need to do is just go to my Facebook page, right? Just type in facebook.com/DJ Dimaliwat Official and then send me a message, mag-usap tayo, let's explore, let's have a Zoom meeting or even a face-to-face meeting. Gusto kong malaman yung reasons mo why you wanted to do this and then what are the next steps to join our team of life planners here in AIA. So go ahead, iiwan ko yung link in this video. I made this video just quick para at least magawa na natin at ma-reach out na natin kaagad na magawa natin kaagad ito at makapag-usap kaagad tayo, makarating kaagad sa'yo itong message na to. So, ayan, asahan ko yung message mo.